Music Awards and the presentation of the 2020 Artist Vision Awards.
We now come to a very special segment of this evening's ceremony. The 2020 Artist Vision Award is given only once in the history of our organization to a very select few award-winning musicians who embody a combination of traits such as musical talent, originality, self-knowledge, and perseverance that we collectively refer to as an artist's vision. It's the belief of Akademia that these visionary artists are destined to shape the course of their genre and the broader musical landscape in the years to come.
That said, it is with great pleasure that Akademia hereby presents the 2020 Artist Vision Award to Donald Morin.
The sun is going down. Rich and poor around, and the actor says hello. A native woman speaks of the blues of life.
And I will continue to sing it. Prejudice and racism.
Native woman speaks of how hard is life. Earthquakes, earthquakes galore. What is the sign of the times? I found my dime, and I'm back on the net. Work to be done. Mad dogs on the run. Is it the sign of the time? Wars away, wars away. Death will play, death will play. What is in tune in this time, this time? What is in store sundown? Now new day is gone. The sun was so young. Rich and poor around. Rich and poor on the ground. Life is today for all those mothers and children. What is the sign of the times? Earthquakes, earthquakes galore. Don't you wanna walk away? Cause all those mad dogs are on the run. All those mad dogs are on the run.
Go take it with him.
And then we can rejoice together.
Oh, you piece of shit. I know you've been following me. I hear you've been enjoying the circuit of the circus of American Babylon, eh?